Hi, I'm Mitch. I'm the owner of Petra Jewellery, and I've got an important announcement to make about some new opening hours. They will be starting on Tuesday the 4th of September. The reason why we're doing this is because we can get quite busy downstairs on the shop floor, and I want to make sure that if you are coming along and need some time spent with you and you need to be given some technical advice and maybe in an environment that's slightly away from the hustle and bustle of what goes on in a more retail environment, we can guarantee that. And the way we're going to do that is offer up an online diary booking system. So you can schedule to come and see us in advance and I can make sure that the right person is available. We're going to be reducing our drop-in shop opening hours so that on a Tuesday we are open from 10 until 2. Wednesdays will be open from 10 through till 6 o'clock. Thursdays we are going to be closed for special events and design experiences only. And Fridays and Saturdays we will be open for drop-ins from 10 until 2 o'clock, and the rest of the time you can schedule to come and see us and we can really properly look after you. Our new opening hours are on our website, on our Facebook and Instagram pages, and please don't worry if you forget them and you turn up and it looks like we're closed. If we are here, we will still very much look after you. I'm excited that this gives us the chance to just all round deliver a much more tailored and personal experience for you. We know that jewellery is an emotional thing, and for us it requires quite a lot of technical expertise as well. So being able to do that in a sort of a planned way is really going to make a big difference to us and to you. We're going to be doing things like more coffee mornings and little seminars about gemstones, exclusive viewings of new collections, and give you the chance to have a more hands-on experience too with personalising jewellery and maybe getting involved in making your own rings or a birthday present for a loved one. I'm really excited about this opportunity. It means we can share the sparkle even more than we normally do, and it's thanks to our customers that we've been voted the most loved jewellers in the UK for the last 3 years now, and I think it's things like this that really massively make a difference. If you've got any questions, please do get in touch, and thank you so much for listening to this video. Bye.